today, in preparation for the holidays, I want to show you our first holiday theme recipe, which is a honey beeswax candle. You'll need some beeswax, some honey, and some vanilla flavor. I've sourced everything locally in Texas just to keep it local. I love doing that. At Better Shea Better, we have a 1 pound or a 4 ounce packaging of Texas beeswax that we source from Texas beekeepers. So you can use either the 1 pound or the 4 ounces. Then I grabbed some honey from Texas wildflowers and a little bit of vanilla flavor. This one is alcohol free. It works better with candles. Grab some glass jars. I had 3, but ended up honestly only filling up a couple of them. Anyway, so you got glass jars, then you get some wicks. I have these super cool wicks that crackle when they're lit up. These have a holder, and you put a little sticker at the bottom and you stick it at the bottom of the jar. I use glue dots for that. So after I melted 1 pound of my Texas beeswax, I put it on the scale and then I added 2 ounces of honey. The honey adds just a very subtle scent to the candle. Then I added 2 tablespoons of the vanilla flavor just to add that warm, sweet scent. On top of that, I added 1 teaspoon of vanilla essential oil. You stir everything up. If the beeswax gets a little solid, pop it again on a double boiler to melt it. And then you pour it in your jars and you let it cool until finished. And here it is, a honey beeswax candle to purify the air and keep you warm and cozy in this holiday season.